Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures. And in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we will be taking an adventure walking around Kensington Market in Toronto, Canada. That is right. In this episode of Alex's Adventures, we will be taking an adventure walking around Kensington Market and see what this neighborhood has to offer. So here we are in Kensington Market. Kensington Market is located right next to Chinatown. Here is Spadina Avenue, and here is Kensington Market. So what is Kensington Market? Kensington Market is a neighborhood in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. The neighborhood is a multicultural bohemian neighborhood, and here we can see several storefronts as we walk through Kensington Market. Kensington Market reminds me of this one neighborhood in San Francisco, California, kind of like a hipster uptrending vibe every time I walk through this neighborhood. It reminds me of that neighborhood, the Castro district, or Height in Ashbury in San Francisco. Here you can see one of the murals here that you can find in Kensington Market. Here are several more storefronts as we walk through the streets of Kensington Market. Here you have the unique shop that you won't find anywhere else in Canada. Here you can see several more shops on this street, and Kensington Market is one of many tourist attractions. So when you're in Toronto, if you find yourself in Toronto, Canada, be sure to check out Kensington Market. Here we have this restaurant that sells chicken and waffles. Here we have a vintage depot clothing shop. Here we have several more shops. And walking through this neighborhood, like I said again, reminds me of walking through the Castro district in in San Francisco. Here's Rasta Pasta. And here we have a supermarket, Kensington Fruit Market, that sells fresh fruit right out in the storefronts. And here you have Essence of Life, another natural food market here. And here we have some beautiful Victorian houses, along with several more storefronts here. So I guess the storefronts are on the street level, while the residence area is on the second level. Such an amazing place to walk through. Here we have a shop here, Uncle Vintage Coat, Oldie Garment. So some clothing stores that is right here. Here we have some pharmaceuticals. Here we have the Urban Catwalk, another vintage clothing store. So if this is something, if you find yourself in Toronto, Canada, I really recommend checking out Kensington Markets, because I feel like this place is something that you can't find anywhere else. especially in San Francisco. And I know I keep bringing up San Francisco as a comparison, but it's totally different than San Francisco. Here we have a restaurant here. And we're on this end of the street. And let's go ahead and walk back towards where we're from. So we are walking back towards where we walked from. Here is the Kensington Fruit Market again, and as we look to our right here, you can see Chinatown on Spadina Avenue on that end of the street. Here is a barber shop, Kensington Variety, Kensington Mall, Exile. Such a colorful neighborhood. Here is the Sanagan's Meat Locker. So I guess they sell meats. Here is Mir Pizzeria, a pizza place inside Kensington Market. Here we have Tom's Place. And I feel like the graffiti just adds more character to this neighborhood for some reason. Here is Flamingo Vintage, Abu Hummus. I guess they sell Greek food, if I'm not mistaken. And here is Augusta Avenue. Here we have Hot Box, Cannabis, Supernatural Market. And we're on another street. Yeah. And yeah. So that is Supernatural Market. Really love the logo design as it stands out in the neighborhood here. Here you can see several people walking. Here we have more murals, graffiti, artworks. And like I said, it just adds more character to this neighborhood. Here we have more restaurants, as you can see there. Cafe. Here we have this grocery store that sells fruits and flowers. Lots of fresh fruits and flowers.
You don't care?
Here you can see several people walking. And here we have several more stores. And that will do it for this adventure walking around Kensington Market in Toronto, Canada. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this place. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures. And I will definitely see you on the next one.